हेलो व्यूअर्स, स्वागत है आपका टी जनरल न्यूज चैनल में। और मैं आपको सोलर एनर्जी के टॉप एक न्यूज़ बताने वाली हूँ। अवधा एनर्जी बैक्स 300 MW solar project. Avada Energy on Sunday said it has on a 300 MW solar project at a tariff of rupees 2.83 per kWh from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company. Avada Group has been declared one of the winners in an auction conducted by Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company to procure power from 500 MW of grid connected inter or interstate solar project on a long-term basis is started. As per the term of the tender, the project can be set up anywhere in India and are required to supply power to MSEDCL at the state grid in case projects are set up in Maharashtra and western region periphery. Yearly in August, the MSEDCL had conducted another auction to purchase power from 500 MW of grid-connected solar project. Then too, Avada Energy had secured a capacity of 25 MW at a tariff of rupees 2.91 per kWh. It stated. Avada Group's flagship company Avada Energy is a renewable energy IPP, Indian independent power producer. Second, SJVN backs 200 MW solar project worth rupees 1,200 crore in Maharashtra. State owner SJVN Limited has bagged a 200 MW solar project worth rupees 1,200 crore in an e-reverse auction by Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. SJVN Chairman and Managing Director Nanlal Sharma said in a statement that the company has secured a 200 MW solar power project through the e-reverse auction by MSEDCL. SJVN has bagged the full quoted capacity of the 200 MW solar project at the rate of rupees 2.90 per unit on a build-own and operate basis in the tariff. Sharma also said that the tentative cost for the development of this project rupees 1,200 crore. The project will be commissioned within 18 months from the date of signing of the power purchase agreement, which will be signed between SJVN and MSEDCL shortly. In a BSc filing, the company informed that the project is expected to generate 455.52 US million units in the first, and the cumulative energy generation for 25 years will be about 10,480.82 million units. Tata Power Solar backs order worth rupees 538 crore from EESL. Tata Power Solar has bagged order worth rupees 300 crore from the state-run Energy Efficiency Service Limited to set up the multiply distributed ground-mounted solar projects totaling 100 MW. Tata Power Solar System Limited, Tata Power Solar, leading integrated solar company and a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Power, has received a letter of award to build 100 MW of distributed ground-mounted solar project of EESL. The total order value of project is rupees 538 crore, a company statement said. According to the statement, the commission date of the project is set for 12th month. The utility scale EPC order book of Tata Power Solar now stands at 4 GW capacity with an approximate value of rupees 9,264 crore without GST, thereby strengthening its position as the country leading solar EPC player. The statement at said the shortage of coal at power plant is different from the shortage of coal in the country, and escalating coal crisis made India's power ministry step in and alert fear of electricity distribution across the country. In a statement on Sunday, the ministry said coal dispatches were considered due to a prolonged monsoon. Penning report that power station had an average of 4 days worth of coal at the end of last month, the lowest level in year. India thermal power stations are reportedly operating with coal stocks at alarmingly low levels. On October 6, as much as 133 GW of Indians mounted 165 GW coal-based capacity operated with low inventory plants with a capacity of about 90 GW had reportedly less than 4 days of stock. States such as Maharashtra and Delhi have raised concern over long power cuts due to shortage of coal in power plants. Chhattisgarh-based lawyer and activist Sudeep Srivastav claimed the shortage is not true. India has no coal, but state-run power generator may not have enough stock due to various factors. India adds record high rooftop solar capacity of 521 MW in April-June. India has added 521 MW of rooftop solar capacity in April-June this year, which is the highest capacity installed in a quarter. According to Mercon India report, India added 521 megawatts of rooftop solar capacity in the second quarter of the calendar year 2021, a 53% increase quarter on quarter compared to 341 MW installed in Q1 2021 January-March, said Mercon India Research. Newly released Mercon India Rooftop Solar Market Report 2021. Rooftop solar installation were up 517% year-over-year compared to the 85 MW installed in 2020. April-June 2020 rooftop solar capacity additions in India in April-June were its highest in a quarter. DISCOM fails to meet target of sales solar rooftop. Even through Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited is unable to meet the solar power quota set by Maharashtra's Electricity Regulator Commission. The DISCOM is opposing rooftop solar, which will help it in achieving the target. At present, the solar quota is 2.5% of the entire quantum of power purchased by the MSEDCL. As per MEIS, now it will increase to 13.5% in 2024. 25. The Commission has made it clear that if this target is not met, it will levy a heavy penalty on the discount. It will be reduction in the annual revenue requirement at the rate of 10 paise per unit for the shortfall in the total renewable power procurement target for each year. MSEDCL has urged the Commission to reduce the target. Solar expert Ajit Prasad Ganguly said the MSEDCL should stop opposing rooftop solar and instead encourage the consumer in the direction. It has consistently failed to meet its solar target in 2018-19. MERS had asked the discount by about 3,500 million units solar power, but the discount was able to buy just over 1,500 million units. Under such conditions, consumers should be encouraged to chip in, he added. SECI occasion for Maharashtra Park Bird Food of Identity. Bangalore developers interested in Solar Corporation of India occasion hit a nadir when Tata Power Renewable Energy was that the sole bidder on Wednesday for an auction for 50 MW at Dhodhaicha Solar Park in Maharashtra. The action has been put off indefinitely. Last week, SECI postponed a 1,200 MW hybrid action solar and wind energy project combined to mid-November due to tepid response. In mid-October, another action for a massive 10,000 MW and the first one linked to solar manufacturing was also postponed for the fourth time. Developers say the main hurdle is the low ceiling tariff being set by SECI for these actions. In the Dhodhaicha Park action, the maximum price was set at rupees 2.93 per unit, which given the solar radiation in Maharashtra is too low for a project to be viable, said a developer who did not want to be identified. SB Energy backs 200 MW project via SECI auction. Bangalore Renewable Energy joint venture SB Energy has on the entire 200 MW of solar project action by state-run Solar Energy Corporation of India in Karnataka. A top company executive said quoting a tariff of rupees 2.82 per unit in Friday action. Delhi-based SB Energy bid Tata Power Renewable Energy, the only other bidder which had sold 1 paisa more per unit. SB Energy is a joint venture between Japan SoftBank, Taiwan Foxconn and Bharti Airtel. The project it has on will have to be viewed at the Pavanjada Solar Park in Karnataka. The tariff is a shade lower than the reached at the last action held for project at the same location. In March, Karnataka Renewable Energy Development Limited, the state nodal agency for renewable energy, for 1,200 MW for projects at the same venue at which the winning tariff were in the range of rupees 1.91 to 2.93 per unit. However, it was a disappointment for KREDL since of the 1,200 MW actioned by for only 550 MW were received. KREDL decided not to reissue the tender but to make the allotment to the winning bidder and whatever price they had suggested. Thank you.